Hello, welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Julie Godot, and we're going to talk about your 7 day outlook coming up for the week ahead. And our city of the day is going to be Washington, D.C. Yes, of course, we're looking at downtown Washington, D.C. Did you know that D.C. had a downtown like that? No, I was interested to find this. So, anyway, this is D.C., which is going to be our city of the day. And your weather today, we're currently seeing a temperature of about 85 degrees out there, so not too bad as under mostly sunny skies. And it's going to be 87 for your high today, and tomorrow you'll be 87 as well. But you will see a chance of thunderstorms start to work its way in the afternoon hours for your Monday out there in the nation's capital. So as we're moving along with this weather forecast, let's talk about your weather today. So as we look at our national radar, what we're seeing is a lot of areas that we're seeing some scattered showers and storms out there, especially here across the northern plains into Minnesota and Wisconsin, where we're seeing some thunderstorms. You can see the lightning strikes there. So we got a line of thunderstorms moving into Wisconsin and into northwestern Illinois. More scattered showers and storms here along the southeast and the Gulf Coast, and a few down in Florida, and some scattered spotty showers and storms across the northern plains and into the Pacific Northwest, and a couple showers and storms down in the Southwest for your 4th of July holiday Monday out there. And as we take a look at our watches and hazards, that heat and humidity is starting to build in across the Midwest there, as we're seeing a huge area of heat advisories through parts of the Midwest and into the southern Mississippi Valley down here, where we're going to be seeing there's humidity really rise. We're going to see humidities hit the 80-degree mark, so a lot of humidity and those temperatures in the mid to upper 90s out there through parts of the Midwest down into the lower Mississippi Valley for your Monday. And we're going to see our red flag advisory through parts of Nevada and Utah there, as we're going to be seeing a lot of heat in place and high winds through those desert areas. That's going to be creating some critical fire weather, so please be careful with your 4th of July celebrations and fireworks out there. And as we take a look at your 7 day weather forecast, and we're going to talk about your Monday out here, and we're seeing the potential there for those showers and thunderstorms here across the northern plains, where we're going to be seeing some severe weather today, and we'll see some more scattered thunderstorms across the northern plains and the upper Mississippi Valley through parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, as well as Michigan. We'll be seeing those scattered showers and thunderstorms today. More showers and storms is expected down across the southeast and into the state of Florida, and our monsoon flow here in the desert southwest, as we're seeing those scattered showers and storms through the four corner states. We'll be seeing a few more showers and here across parts of northern California and southwestern Oregon as well, and more showers across parts of Washington out there through the Cascades. And as we take a look at for your Tuesday, we will be seeing more of that monsoon flow through parts of the states of through parts of Arizona as well as New Mexico and into Colorado. But we have more showers and storms that we're going to be expecting here across the northern plains, the upper Midwest, through the Ohio Valley and into the Great Lakes and the Northeast. So we're going to be seeing a very large area of some severe weather for your Tuesday out there. And as we move into Wednesday, more showers and storms expected across the northern tier of the nation, especially across the northern plains and the upper Midwest. Our monsoon flow down through New Mexico and Arizona, as well as some more showers and storms over in the southeast, up into the mid-Atlantic states, and down through the state of Florida as well for your Wednesday. And then for your Thursday, we will be seeing those showers and storms continue yet again across the northern plains and the upper Midwest, the central and southern plains as well, and our southwestern monsoon through southeastern Arizona and central New Mexico. More showers and storms will extend it over to the northeast and down the eastern seaboard and into the state of Florida as well. We could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms for your Thursday out there. And as we take a look at your Friday now, we're going to be seeing more of those showers and storms really take place out here toward the eastern sections of the nation, through the Ohio Valley and into the Northeast, down the mid-Atlantic and the southeastern coast, and through parts of the state of Florida as well. We'll be seeing that dry weather through Texas and the Southwest, and still a few showers and storms as we have some moisture here for our southwestern monsoon. And as we look at our Friday out there, so no, our Saturday, so now as we're now into Saturday, more storms across the far northern plains. We'll see more showers and storms in the southeast here and our southwestern monsoon. But the west coast is going to be nice, as well as the central and southern plains, the Great Lakes, and into the northeast. We'll have nice weather, but it will be hot out there through the plains and the desert southwest, and those humidities are going to be pretty brutal as well. And as we take a look at our Sunday, now we're made it all the way through all 7 days of the forecast here. We're going to see an increase in those showers and storms again across the northern plains and the upper Midwest here, and into the Intermountain West and into the Four Corners, where our monsoon moisture is going to continue throughout this entire week, and we're going to see another area for showers and storms will continue across the southeastern United States and into the state of Florida. Here's our temperature outlook for the next 7 days. And as we take a look at this afternoon, we're going to be seeing those temperatures in the triple digits throughout parts of Texas down there. So Dallas, Fort Worth, and maybe also as well as down into San Antonio, where we can see a temperature of 99, so just about that century mark. And that hot weather will continue through the desert southwest, as we're going to see that 104 down there for you folks in Phoenix, as we're going to see that triple digit heat in Phoenix and Vegas as well as the deserts of Southern California. But we'll see that nice weather across the Northeast. The Northeast and the Pacific Northwest are enjoying wonderful temperatures, as we have ridging in the center of the nation and troughing on the coast, the Northeast and the Northwest. So nice cooler weather for you folks in the Northwest and in the Northeast, as we're going to see those temperatures range from the upper 60s in the Northeast to about 80. Same thing for the Pacific Northwest. But if you're in the middle of the nation, it's where you're going to be seeing that heat really extend there, as those triple digits come all the way up into the central and northern plains for your Monday out there for your holiday. And then as we look at tomorrow's temperature, those triple digits will really start to take off through the state of Texas. We're going to be seeing those temperatures reach up to about 102 degrees, but we can see as high as 103 through Kansas. So Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas are really getting hit hard with that heat, and that heat is going to start to extend into Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana as well. Mississippi, Alabama, we're going to really start to approach that 100-degree mark down across the Gulf Coast and into the southeast. But it's going to continue to be nice and comfortable across the Pacific Northwest and the Northeast. But we're going to really see those temperatures in the 60s to about 80 degrees in the Northeast, as well as the Pacific Northwest. And we're going to see those temperatures through the 80s in the far northern plains like Minnesota and Wisconsin and the Dakotas. And as we take a look at your Wednesday, our Wednesday temperatures, again, that heat across Texas and the lower Mississippi Valley down there, we're going to be seeing those triple digits into Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. And Texas, you're going to be seeing that hot weather. And of course, the hot weather down in the desert southwest as well. And we'll be seeing those temperatures in the 70s across the northern plains and the Great Lakes and into the Northeast. So very nice weather across the far northern tier of the country, as well as the high plains and into Montana and Idaho. You will be seeing very nice weather conditions as well. As far as the temperatures is concerned, but you will be dealing with that rainfall from thunderstorms and severe weather across the northern tier of the nation. And as we move on to your Thursday, now Thursday we will see those temperatures in the triple digits. Once, yes, yet again, it's going to be the same old story all week. Temperatures in the triple digits down through the central and southern plains and across the southeast. We'll be seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 90s and quickly start to approach 100 degrees for your Thursday. So we will see the nice temperatures continue across the Northeast, the Northern Plains, and the Great Lakes, and the Pacific Northwest. Very comfortable weather conditions. A little bit of humidity across the middle of the nation, all the way up into the Central and Northern Plains there. You will feel a little bit of humidity, but the temperatures overall won't be too bad, but the heat will be centered down through the Southern Plains and parts of the lower Mississippi Valley down there. And as we take a look at your Friday, again, we're starting to see those triple digits start to migrate a little bit to the east as we see those hundreds through Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas yet again. Those triple digits will be centered around that area. Nebraska and Kansas will cool down a few degrees. You won't see a triple digit for your Thursday, for your Friday out there. But in that, again, that nice weather will continue across the northern plains, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. Very comfortable weather conditions this week across the northern tier of the nation. That heat is going to start to build across the high plains and into Montana. You will see those 90s come into play, and you'll see the triple digit heat across the desert Southwest. It's been a little bit cooler than average across the Southwest, but we will see those temperatures start to reach the 110 degree mark in Phoenix as we move into the weekend. So those temperatures have been about between 100 and 105 degrees, but we will see them approach 110 by the end of the week. And as we move into Saturday, again, 112 for you folks down there in Phoenix, 111 in Yuma. So that heat is going to really start to intensify down across the desert Southwest as we get into next weekend. And we're going to continue to see that heat again across the state of Texas going to increase as well, 105 in Dallas Fort Worth. So we're really going to start to see those triple digits across Texas and Oklahoma and Louisiana. So very hot across the southern central sections of the United States, the desert Southwest, pretty warm through the central and northern plains and the southeast, where that heat and humidity will really take place here through this part of the nation, where we'll see a lot of that heat and humidity. And again, very comfortable weather conditions across the Northeast and the Pacific Northwest as we see those 70s and lower 80s out in those regions. And for your Sunday, finally, we're going to be talking about that extreme heat across the desert Southwest, 112 again yet in Phoenix for Sunday, and those triple digits through parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and we're going to see that humidity as well, and those very nice weather conditions start to warm up across the central and northern plains a little bit as we start to approach 90 here in Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin for your Sunday. And again, very lovely across the Northeast. The Northeast is enjoying a very wonderful summer so far. They're having excellent weather across the Northeast right now. And that was a look at your 7-day weather forecast. Now we're going to talk a little bit about our severe weather prospects over the next 3 days. And we're going to look at today's severe weather prospects. And we have that potential here for severe weather across the northern plains and parts of the upper Midwest for your Monday, for your holiday today. And this afternoon, we're going to be seeing those a slight risk here for severe weather across parts of Montana and the Dakotas, as well as in parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Wisconsin, where we're going to be seeing the severe weather. And our primary threat is going to be some heavy rainfall in this region, but over here, we're going to be seeing some hail, damaging winds, and maybe a couple of tornadoes is going to be possible there across the northern plains and the upper Midwest. All right, tomorrow we have a really interesting setup here as we have several fronts in play. So we're going to see a large area of this slight risk for severe weather for your Tuesday out there. And we're going to see heavy rain on this end of this area of severe weather. And over here, your hail and damaging wind threat, maybe some tornadoes is going to be possible across the plain states for your Tuesday. But over here, we're going to focus more on some heavy rainfall, maybe some small pea-sized hail, and some gusty winds from some of those thunderstorms as well. Our tornado threat is going to be mainly here across the plain states for your Tuesday. And for Wednesday, that severe weather is going to continue across mainly the northern tier of the nation, but we'll start to see some around the mid-Atlantic and parts of North Carolina here, but we will be seeing that heavy rainfall as the primary threat down in that region. And up here, our hail and gusty winds and our potential for a tornado or two across the northern plains for your Thursday out there. So that is a look at our severe weather, and let's talk about the tropics just for a quick second here before we wrap up. And our tropical outlook, we have Hurricane Bonnie out here just off the southwestern coast of Mexico, and that's going to be moving off to the west-northwest out there. And Hurricane Bonnie is currently going to be a hurricane as it moves on off to the west, and it's going to continue at hurricane strength all the way out through Saturday. And it's right now has maximum sustained winds of about what is that saying? It's our maximum sustained wind is about 90 miles per hour. So it's not a really strong hurricane. It's really pushing about Category 1 hurricane strength right now. And so it's not doing too bad. Category 1 hurricane for you. And it's going to be only affecting shipping interest and maybe surfing interest. If you're out in Mexico or off the coast of California, you might get some increased wave action or swells. So for surfing, and might be issues for small boating and things like that. So, and shipping interest, we'll have to pay attention to Hurricane Bonnie. So that is all I have for today, guys. There's your 7-day outlook. And remember, we do have our daily weather forecast, which we will continue to do every day. And we have our TikTok, and you can check us out on YouTube. My name is Julie Goodell. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with another daily weather forecast. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.